I wanted to give you a small update. These are the gates that I'm establishing at Mom's house for the side of the house. I really do like them. Nice design. And we're also going to hire some on the back once that time comes, but we're going to close out the front and be able to advertise what we do too. While we're down there killing that 3 birds with 1 stone. So wanted to give you an update on them. I'm real humble. Networking. Got the material from Steel Master. Helped me pull this off. So I'm humbled and thankful. And like I said, we're going to be networking and bringing this type of metalworks to the area. I see some people got them and other people charge them too much for certain things, and I'm going to be able to show them what we can do on a small scale and to advertise what we do independently, but show everything at Mama House. So just wanted to give you some updates, let you see what I'm working on. Hold on.